Hi, I'm Kanishka, and together with my co-founder Stephen, we worked on Decode NDIS, a solution designed to streamline the National Disability Insurance Scheme for its users. After being together in the NDIS industry for over 3 years, we've recognized one of the inefficiencies of the NDIS. We focus on simplifying the scheme's complex service codes to make it more user-friendly. We'll be walking you through Decode NDIS, how it works, the potential impact it has for NDIS participants, and then run through a demo. The NDIS is a cornerstone of support for Australians with disabilities. However, its complexity can be a barrier. Within the NDIS framework, the sheer number of service codes, over 800, can be overwhelming for participants. These multi-digit numerical codes correspond to specific activities or items that can be claimed as part of an NDIS plan. To effectively and appropriately utilize their allocated funding, participants must navigate through extensive documents to make their claims. This often leads to challenges. Services may be incorrectly coded, or participants might not fully utilize their plan, missing out on eligible services that could be claimed under multiple codes. Additionally, keeping track of claims to ensure they fall within the designated price caps is crucial to prevent overclaiming. This meticulous process is vital for both compliance and maximizing the benefits of their NDIS plan. Decode NDIS directly addresses this by making it easier for participants to understand and access their entitled supports. Our solution is poised to create a substantial positive impact for these individuals. Decode NDIS tackles this by offering a unique feature. Users can upload their service invoices directly into the app. Our software then reads and translates these service descriptions into corresponding NDIS codes. This not only streamlines how users interact with the system, but also ensures precise code alignment and adherence to price caps. By automating this process, Decode NDIS offers a forward-thinking solution that significantly enhances the user experience, making it more efficient and accurate. Now, Stephen will run through a demo of Decode NDIS.
So this is the Decode NDIS app where users have the option to either upload their invoice as a file or they can enter their invoice text here. For our first example, we're going to run through a handwritten invoice. As you can see, there is a gardening service charged. So let's click to upload our invoice and select. And we can see it's been uploaded successfully. So let's decode this. Whilst it's decoding, I'll explain what goes on in the background. GPT-4 analyzes the image and extracts all the descriptions. It then runs it through a query search on a vector database that has the relevant information from the NDIS along with some descriptions, and it finds the best matches and will output the relevant code. And as we can see here, we have the item code 01019, 0120, 11 with the description house or yard maintenance and a price cap of $53.09. If we flip over to the official NDIS documents, we can see that this does in fact match the relevant code with the correct price cap. For our second example, we're going to enter the invoice text in this text box, and we're going to put in one indwelling catheter. This is an item used for continence issues. And as we can see, we have gotten an output of this code 030924 with the description. And this one, we can actually see that there is no price cap. So to verify this, let's flip over to our document, and we can see that, yes, in fact, this is the code corresponding to continence products for adults. And for our last example, we're going to input an item which shouldn't be funded by the NDIS, a round-trip ticket to San Francisco. So let's decode that and see what we get. And as we can see, we get an output that the NDIS does not cover travel or tourism expenses for participants. Therefore, it does not apply to this situation, which is exactly what we want to see. All right, that's the app. Thank you very much.